In primetime news this evening, opposition MPs concerned about seating arrangement for embattled MP George Wright. Restoring the peace, police reach out to Hayes residents in the aftermath of fiery protests. And a second woman is murdered in Trenchtown in as many days.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on Uber coming to Jamaica? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.